one of the great strengths of Southwestern Seminary through the years has been the intentional effort to connect theology, spiritual formation, whole life discipleship, robust ministry preparation with excellent classroom teaching. The collaborative work of scholars and ministers, of educators and practitioners is more important today than ever before, and it is here that Southwestern is positioned by its history, its heritage, and its current commitments to lead the way during the middle of the 21st century. So let us on this day recommit ourselves afresh to academic excellence. Let us not forget that service on behalf of faithful Southern Baptists and the broader evangelical world is both a privilege and a responsibility, along with a distinctive call.